The Epomaker CIDOO ABM098 is an ideal choice for gamers and productivity enthusiasts seeking high performance, extensive customization, and an attractive design. This compact 1800-style mechanical gaming keyboard excels in providing top-tier features such as media control, dynamic RGB effects, and versatile connectivity options. Notably, it features a generously sized metal rotary knob for volume control and media management, ensuring a tactile and gradual adjustment experience. The USB-C port, reinforced with a metal alloy plate and an integrated RGB light bar, adds durability and aesthetics. Underneath the keyboard, you'll find substantial rubber strips and a rubber ring encircling the adjustable feet, offering two height options, 4.5 cm and 5 cm. The feet are stable, thanks to a robust hinge mechanism. A concealed storage compartment for the 2.4 GHz dongle, with secure magnetic attachment, is conveniently located. In terms of dimensions, the keyboard measures 38 cm in length, 14.5 cm in depth, and weighs 1.42 kg. Its board construction features a diffused finish and utilizes a gasket-mounted design for durability and a quieter typing experience. It incorporates pour-on PCB foam and an IXPE switch sheet, enhancing noise reduction. While most keys perform quietly, the spacebar produces a slightly louder sound due to its different construction. The stock keycaps, excluding the spacebar, are double-shot ABS plastic and can be replaced with aftermarket keycaps, 1.75U shift key and 1U 0 key size compatible. The keycaps feature non-transparent font legends but are complemented by exceptionally bright south-facing LEDs with integrated light diffusers, offering vivid RGB lighting effects. Customization options include dynamic multi-color patterns and static single-color effects, with adjustable speed and brightness. The CIDOO ABM098 boasts a range of specifications, including a compact 1800-style layout with 97 keys and a rotary knob. The ABS plastic case material ensures durability, while the gasket-mounted design and pour-on PCB foam contribute to a quieter typing experience. Connectivity options are versatile, supporting Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Type-C wired connections. A robust 3000 mAh battery provides 11 hours of usage with RGB off and 10 hours with RGB on. This keyboard seamlessly integrates with VIA keyboard software for macro creation, key remapping, and customization. Profiles and remapped keys are stored internally, eliminating the need to keep the VIA software running. The default switches arrive pre-lubricated and are hot swappable with 3-pin and 5-pin switches. Connectivity is convenient, supporting multiple wireless and wired options. Accessories include a keycap, switch puller, an extra keycap, and a 1.8-meter braided cable. Available in black, gray, and green colors, each paired with corresponding CIDOO switches, matte, mint, or blue through, the CIDOO ABM098 offers a compelling package for discerning users.